In this lesson, toda kudiscuss scalar multiplication. So before we go anyway, pane zvandiri kuda kuti titange tarangarira from our immediate previous lesson. So I'm talking about the lesson ratakaita where we discussed the magnitude of a vector pamwechete the differences of vectors. So in that lesson, takataura isusu tichiti if we have two vectors, tine this vector which is vector A, then we have another vector. So these two lines, they are equal in length, which is vector B. So if we say vector A is equal to, for example, x1, y1, like that, tinoona kuti vector B inenge iri equal to minus x1 minus y1, like that. Because they are equal in length, remember, takati length corresponds to, the length of a vector line inotiudza the magnitude, that is the size of a vector. Saka kana malines aya are of the same length, zviri kureva kuti they have the same size, the same magnitude. But chakasiyana pa vector A and vector B, musiyano uripo ndewekuti they are looking kana kuti pointing in different directions. So the way we put this, it will be easier kana tikashandisa a real example. So let us say kuti A iri equal to 2, 3. Zvinoreva kuti B inenge iri equal to chi? Minus 2 minus 3. So takati tinopinda mukati me vector, then we change the arithmetic sign of every number inside the vector. So we had 2 as a positive panapa, pana B we have 2 as a negative. We had 3 as a positive panapa, pana B we have 3 as a negative. But we had conclusions which we had drawn. And the conclusion which we drawn in our previous lesson, takati isusu looking at this, zvinongoreva kuti B is equal to minus A. So I remember not saying much because the need, not the end of the previous lesson, kwanga kusiri kudzidza scalar multiplication per se, but kwanga kurungodzidza kuti how do we reverse the direction of a vector. So we were looking at reversing direction. And by reversing direction, takati sus, what do? We negate every x, y value in B. So negating kuchinja sign. Yanga iri positive inova negative, yanga iri negative inova a positive. Chata kuda kudiscussa panapa is this case. B is equal to minus A. Let us work on it. So zvirikuitika apa ndezvekuti tika replace B. In fact, tikati B hand is equal to minus to replace A. A tati ndiani 2, 3. So B is equal to minus multiplying 2, 3. Minus uyu tarega yedu kunyora kuti minus 1, but we could as well write minus 1. As you remember from algebra and other topics, kana tikati minus A, for instance, tiri kuti minus 1 times A, but hatinyori tichidaro because 1 is an identity number. Saka tinogona kunyora kuti minus 1 kana kungonyora iri minus. Minus iyo ndo inenge ichinzi a scalar. It's called a scalar multiplier. Kana kuti just call it a scalar. So chinonzi scalar madzangu, it is the number multiplying a vector. Chinonzi scalar, we are talking about a number multiplying a vector. That is the working definition of a scalar. So if we come back to what we are working on, to define this -1 as a scalar or scalar multiplier, tikanyora again b is equal to minus 2, 3. Zviri kuitika panapa ndezvekuti this scalar is going to multiply every yx value kana kuti xy value in the vector. In simpler terms, scalar yedu ichamultiplya both the x value and the y value. Ichamultiplya number yese iri mukati memabrackets ari kutipa vector. Saka zvinoita kutoredzera kakufanana nezvataiita in algebra, where we discussed kuti to remove brackets we multiply the outward term with every term inside the bracket. Saka to insert a scalar multiplier into a vector, we are going to multiply every number inside the vector with that scalar. What it means is b is equal to, there's a bracket, it's -1 multiplying 2 and also -1 multiplying 3, which is equal to -1 times 2 ndi -2 and -1 times 3 ndi -3, like this. Saka mukatarisa muchaona kufanana kwazvakaita. Panapa tanga tingodiscussa kurivhesa a vector, kuti tinopinda mukati mevector tochinja masigns every term inside that vector. Yanga imbori positive ichiva yenegative, yanga iri yenegative ichiva yepositive. But panapa manje takudzidza pamusoro pescalar multiplication. Tati the scalar inopinda mukati mevector, you multiply every term, every number inside the vector. So before we move any further, let us look at another example along these lines. In this example, we are going to take a as being equal to -1, 3, like this. So we want to reverse the direction of that. Method number 1. To reverse a direction, the new vector will be b. Saka tikada reverse a direction ya a is equals to -1, 3. Zvoreva kuti b inenge iri equal to, topinda mukati mevector, e -1 kureva kuti panapa inenge yava 1, then panapa e i3 kureva kuti apa inenge yachi -3. So panapa tato reverse a direction. Then method 2 yekushandisa the scalar multiplier. Since tiri kuda kuti yatinenge taka reverse a direction ive b, tinongoya panapa toti b should be equal to -a. This means b is equal to minus, what is a? -1, 3, which means we have -1 multiplying -1 and also -1 multiplying 3. Kureva kuti this is equal to what? -1 times -1 d1 and -1 times 3 d -3. Zvakangofanana. Saka ndo zviri kuitikapo hama dzangu. Chikuru chatiri kuda kutaura nezvacho, it's this scalar. Scalar tatichi, let me repeat, number multiplying vector. As simple and as straightforward as that. Let us now go to another example. In this example, let us say we have a vector. Vector redu rakamira so. This is the vector line and it is vector AB. And tiri kuti vector AB is equal to 2, 1. Saka AB is equal to 2, 1. Okay, to make it simpler, let us say this is vector AD instead. And panapa AD is equal to 2, 1. Ngatiti tiri kuda ku divide this vector into 3 equal parts. Kureva kuti we have a part here, toti panapa panenge pari b, like this. Then we also have a part here, toti panapa panenge pari c, like that. Zvazviri kureva panapa ndezvekuti AD uyo handi like that ari equal to AB plus BC plus CD and AB plus BC plus CD. But as you can see, we want to do mathematics here. As you can see, kuti iyo AB, saka we have this statement and we should also see kuti AB iri equal to BC iri equal again to CD. Kureva kuti the length AB yakafanana ne the length BC yofanana ne the length CD. They are the same length. What it means is, therefore, we can equally say AD is equal to AB. To replace a BC na AB, so it's AB plus AB plus AB. Zvaitika pano ndezvekuti since AB yakafanana na BC yofanana na CD, ta replace a BC na CD tichishandisa AB. And from here, AD is equal to AB plus AB plus AB inge equal to 3AB, like that. Mapaona. And we can do the same tichishandisa BC. Doing it tinge tichibuditsa chi tetangoti AD is equal to BC plus BC plus BC. AD is equal to 3BC. We can do the same with CD. AD is equal to 3CD. Ndokuda kuti in your practice munyore kuti panapa AD inge equal to chi inozotipa AD being equal to 3CD. So again, this 3 is going to be our scalar. It is a number multiplying a vector. So tikada kuzvichinja manje tinenge taakungoti AD iri equal to 200. Saka tikati AD tikanyora statement iri AD is equal to 3AB like this. Tobva tati we know kuti AD inge iri 21, so 21 is equal to 3AB like this. If we multiply this side na 1 over 3, kuti ma 3 akanselane, to multiply futi kuno kuna 1 over 3. This means, therefore, AB inge equal to a third of 21, of which 21 AD, saka zvirongoreva kuti AB iri equal to 1/3 of AD. Saka pa dzingori nzira dzekumanipulata nawo yescalar. Tatodzidzisa kudhara kuti scalar iyi ichamultiplier into the vector, ichimultiplier every number inside the vector, the x value and the y value. So we have demonstrated it. Saka ndo mashandiro anoita scalar, hama dzangu. Ndo mashandiro anoita scalar. So having done that, I have taught you how a scalar works. In our next lesson, we are going to continue with vectors. Hopefully, tichasangana nema questions. Not hopefully rather, but actually, tichasangana nema questions and order the application of what we have just learned. So please take heed to scalar multiplication. Any questions? In the comments or direct in my contacts. Thank you.